Good morning to all. The topic which we are going to discuss is characteristics of simple cubic structure, body-centered cubic structure and face-centered cubic structure. First we will see what is characteristics of unit cell. The characteristics of unit cell are coordination number, nearest neighboring distance, atomic radius, number of atoms per unit cell and atomic packing factor. We'll discuss one by one. First, coordination number. It is the number of nearest equidistant neighboring atoms directly surrounding to an atom in a unit cell. Then, nearest neighboring distance. It is the distance between the centers of any two nearest neighboring atoms. Atomic radius is the half of the distance between the nearest neighboring atoms in a crystal. Then we have number of atoms per unit cell. It is the total number of atoms possessed or shared by an unit cell. Then atomic packing factor or density of packing is the ratio of volume occupied by all the atoms in an unit cell to the volume of the unit cell, that is small b divided by capital B. Here we can see simple cubic structure, body-centered cubic structure, face-centered cubic structure with atom structure. First we will discuss on simple cubic structure. In simple cubic structure there are only 8 lattice points present at each corner of the cube. For example, polonium. Polonium is the simple cubic structure material. Here we can see the lattice diagram where at each corners we have atoms. Totally 8 atoms are present. In hard sphere we can see the atoms are touching one another. And this is polonium structure where the unit cell contains 8 atoms in the unit cell. This is the structure of simple cubic material. Here we can consider the atoms which are in nearest neighboring distance. So in each corner we have 6 atoms. So the coordination number of simple cubic structure is 6. Then we have the nearest neighboring atom. In this case an atom at the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. So the atom at the corner contributes 1 by 8 to the unit cell. So the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1 by 8, that is contribution to 8 unit cells into 8 corner atoms. So we'll get 1, that is number of atoms per unit cell for simple cubic structure is 1. In case of simple cubic structure we have consider 8 unit cell, out of which we can take 1 unit cell. So the coordination number is 6. Then we are moving into atomic radius. In atomic radius we have the definition is nothing but volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. For that we are going to substitute volume of atoms in unit cell. Here we are having volume of atoms is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius, atomic radius of the unit cell. Here it is 0.5 into a. Then volume of unit cell is a cube. Substitute the values, we get atomic packing factor is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is x 0.5 a cube. So substituting and get the value, we get 0.52 is the atomic packing factor value of the simple cubic structure, where 52% of atoms are occupied. Remaining 48% of space in the unit cell is empty in the case of simple cubic structure. Then we are having BCC structure. In this case the lattice, there are 8 points at each corner and 1 lattice at the center of the cube, that is body centered cubic. For example, iron, chromium, sodium, bismuth or BCC structure. Here we can see the examples of BCC structure. that is chromium and chromium bismuth, where chromium lattice has the chromium structure and bismuth lattice structure. First, we will find what is coordination number for BCC structure. Here, consider the center atom. The nearest neighboring atoms are the corner atoms. So, totally we have 8 corner atoms. Hence, the coordination number for body-centered cubic structure is 8. Then, number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8. This is because of the corner atoms. Then we have one body centered atom which is not shared with any other atoms. So totally we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is number of atoms per unit cell for BCC structure is 2. Then we have APF calculation. In this, take the triangle ACD where 3 faces are connected. Here AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square according to Pythagorean theorem. So AD squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared plus CD squared. We are taking the 3-dimensional work. So we are getting atomic radius value as R is equal to A into square root of 3 by 4. So substitute the values. In case of atomic packing factor, we have number of atoms per unit cell into volume of the unit cell divided by volume of the sphere. Here we are substituting A root 3 by 4 as a R value. Substituting and simplifying, we get APF is equal to 0.68 for BCC structure. That is 68% of atoms fills the unit cell. Remaining 32% is empty in the case of BCC structure. Next we are having FCC structure. In this there are 8 lattice points at each corner atoms and 6 lattice points at each center of each phase in the unit cell. For example, copper, nickel, aluminum are examples of FCC structure. Here we can see the lattice point diagrams of FCC structures. Gold and copper are examples of FCC structure. Here we can see the coordination number is 12. In x-axis there are 4 atoms which are equally distant, and y-axis as well as z-axis. So totally we have 12 number of atoms in equidistance. So coordination number of FCC structure is 12. Next we have the number of atoms per unit cell. Based on corner atoms, we have 1 by 8 into 8 atoms, that is 1 atom. Based on FCC, we have 1 by 2 into 6. Totally we have 3 atoms. So the number of atoms per unit cell for FCC structure is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, where 1 is from corner atoms and 3 is from face centered atoms. Then we have calculation of APF. In this case, we have atomic radiuses A into root 2 by 4. Here the number of atoms per unit cell is 4. By substituting all the values and simplify it, we get atomic packing factor value is 0.74 for FCC structure. That means 74% of space is filled by the atoms in the crystal structure. With this, we are studied about simple cubic structure, BCC and FCC structure with the characteristics of unit cell, that is coordination number, atomic radius, number of atoms per unit cell and atomic packing factor. By knowing these characteristics, we can use the material for other applications. Thank you.